Hello, I wanted to show you how to split your screen so you can see your social studies articles and your social studies tests side by side, just like if you had the newspaper in your classroom. All right, first you want to go to Google Chrome, open that up, and we are going to our Launchpad. So type in BPS and there's Launchpad. Click on Launchpad, sign in. And then once we get to our Launchpad, we want to find our Social Studies Weekly app. So if you have it in a folder, you might have to look around for it. And scroll down to find your grade level. Since I'm in third grade, I'm going to choose Studies Weekly third grade. And I am working on week 26. So scroll way down here, find week 26. And this is where my screen and your screen might look a tad bit different, but that's okay. We can still figure out how to split our screen. And for some reason, it's taking a very long time to load anymore. But while we are waiting, I want you to look on your keypad, on your keyboard, for the little Windows symbol. This is our Windows symbol over here, and it's on your keypad too. So once you find that on your keypad, mine is on the very left bottom side, and then on the very bottom right-hand side are my arrows. If I press my Windows key and the left arrow, my screen goes to the left. If I press the Windows right arrow, my screen goes to the right. If I want to make it bigger, I just go back up here to this maximize box and I'm back to my screen. So let's try the Windows left or Windows right, I'm sorry. And then now I'm back to my desktop. I want to open up Chrome again. BPS Launchpad, and I'm logging right back in to my Launchpad. If you notice, this screen is on top of my other screen. So if I click up here in this little gray area and I left click on my mouse and scoot it right over there, it's kind of like that drag and drop thing that we're kind of used to doing in class. If you don't have a mouse, you can also use your little scroll pad on your laptop and you just press the left side, hold that, and get your right hand and move your screen around. So here I have both my screens now. I have two screens. So I go back in and I find my Social Studies Weekly app again. And I open that back up. I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, you kind of just have a half screen, but here I have kindergarten, I have first grade, second grade, and third grade. So because I'm in third grade, I'm going to click on third grade again. And it's going to come up with our list of weeks. And I'm going to scroll on down to week 26. That's the week I'm working in. And again, it's just taking forever to load. I think so many people are trying to use this website and all these resources we have that's just taking longer to load. All right, there we have it. And this way you can choose Take Test. That's what we're going to be doing today. And here is our first question. And again, mine might look a little bit different than yours. So why did salt used to be valuable? So which article did you read about salt? If I think I read it in Pirate Economics, I can click on Pirate Economics and have the article come back up. Scroll down to find it. All right, you might have to scroll down just like I did, or you're just going to sit there. All right, there is our article, and we can skim real quick, and it says, why did salt used to be valuable? So I'm kind of looking for the word salt. I'm going to scroll around and look for the word salt. And once I find the word salt, I can read and pick the best answer. Okay, and I might not be able to find the word salt here, so I might have to go back to a different article to say maybe dig a little deeper and to find it down here. And I'm going to skim again, trying to look. Ooh, what did I find right here? Salt was hard to find and very valuable. Why was salt used to be very valuable? Everybody wanted salt to flavor and preserve food. It was so valuable, people used it for money. So which one over here would be my best answer now that I have found my word salt? I can always go up here and have the article read to me again by pushing the play button.
To amaze your teachers, parents, and friends.
Okay. So this is how we split our screen. We can have an article on one side, our questions on the other side, and we can go back and forth to help us find our answers. All right, when you are all done, you've taken your test, you've submitted it to your teacher, and you are ready for her to grade it. You can click the X button and go back over here to maximize, and there you have your single screen again. All right, I hope this helps you take your test, and good luck on it.